Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Subscribe to our channel. Today we use blue color, the next one is yellow color, black color, green color, and the last one is red color. Kids, first we use blue color and now we draw the alphabet of A. Now we draw the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. We again use blue color. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Now we draw E. E for egg. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we use blue color. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. Kids, now we use blue color and draw J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q and the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. We again use yellow color and the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. And now we draw T. The next one is U. Kids, now we draw U. Now we draw V. The next one is W. And now we draw X. Y. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. The next one is numbers. Now we use the color of black. First we use the color of black. Now we draw numbers. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And now we draw 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.